Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this short video, I'm going to discuss with you index function. How can we use index function with very simple example. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I created this very simple data. This consists of name, quantity, price and total revenue column. If I want to get the result from the specific column and specific row, so I will use the index function. Index function start with is equal to INDE. Press tab. Very first thing is array. What is your data table? What is your data range? My data range is this whole data. So I will select all this data and then comma. Next thing is row number. From which row I want my result. For example, if I want my result from the number third row from the branch 3, so I will write 3. And now last thing is I need to define the column number. Column number is optional. If I want to specify the column as well, so I can specify the column. I want to specify the revenue column, so revenue column is number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll type 4 and then close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me 22383. So it will match my criteria. It will go to this data table. Then next thing is row number was I mentioned number 3. So it went to the number 3 row and then I defined the column number 4 and then straight away goes to the number 4 column and pick that value 22383. So this is how the index function works. Formula is equal to index start of bracket. First thing is array, then comma, then row number, again comma, and then column number. So this is how this formula works. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more informative formulas. So I will see you guys in next video.